Hello my people, in this video we will see how to save TikTok video without posting without watermark. The first and the most important part is go to search this in Google. And we have two methods to save TikTok videos without watermark. The first, private pools method, best for the original content. Step 1. Create your video in the app and click in Next. Step 2. Select who can see this video and change it to Only for me. Pause the video. Step 4. Go to your private videos lock icon on your profile. Open the video and tap the three dots to select Save Video. Step 5. Delete the video from your profile if desired. Second method, third-party downloader method, best for other users' video. Step 1. Copy the link to the TikTok video. Step 2. Use a downloader city like Snapd, CSS, TikTok, or Postnext. Step 3. Paste the link into the website to download the video without the watermark. And that's all. This method, for example, we have a convert TikTok to MP4. We have this page, for example. And well, that's all for this video. If you like the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next